Food fusion is a form of cooking that combines contrasting culinary traditions or techniques into a single dish. There are various forms of fusion food, including regional fusion, which combines food from different regions or sub-regions. Food mashups are also a form of food fusion. This is one of the fastest-growing food trends from around the world. Food fusion allows experimentation and freedom in exploring a contrast of flavors and textures. This can take many forms, and could be one culinary technique that uses the ingredients of a completely different dish. Other forms of food fusion combine two culinary disciplines evenly to create a something new and distinctive. Have you got a place for it on your menu, or is it no greater than the sum of its parts? Why is food fusion so popular? The popularity of food fusion owes a lot to the mashup. It is also growing in popularity because it allows chefs to create something distinctive from their competitors, a dish they can truly call their own. Another reason that chefs might do this is to stamp their identity on a certain form of cuisine, as well as introducing new food concepts to customers in subtle and interesting ways. Mashups take existing foods that are already popular and fuse them together to create an unexpected marriage of flavor. Whether it's Yorkshire puddings served burrito style or sweet and savory foods swapping roles, mashups are making waves of their own, driving the food fusion revival. Some well-known food mashups simply bolt two names together, as in the pizza taco, crow nut, or duffin. To the purist, these Frankenstein creations may seem a little gimmicky, but they are proving a great way to pull in the crowds. Undeniably a hit with the Gen Z age gap, those born after 1995, fancy treats are likely to be snapped first and tasted second, probably uploaded to Instagram before taking their first bite. This can work to your advantage if you can get mashups on your menu and find a way to promote them. Great script by https://www.nisbets.co.uk/ visit the page for more.